I don't know exactly when I was fallen asleep, but when I woke up, there was a world filled with darkness. I don't know what happens, but my body changes and it hurts so much. I'm losing consciousness, and when I woke up, dark wings spread out of my body. It is exhausting. I was losing consciousness again. When I woke up, I tried to discover this dark world, and you can see really strange creatures around here. Now I decided to communicate with one of these creatures, but it answers me like that. Shocked, I'm trying to flee, but I was catched by a strange blue plant. I wondered what I've done to get in such a place. Everything goes dark one more time. This time a voice speaks to me. Suffer is an illusion which you created yourself. You can't flee. Fleeing will increase your problems. You have to face your problems. There is no place you can flee. I wake up again. What a strange dream. But I remember, I have to face my problems. I feel angry because I can't lose myself in my dreams anymore. They turn into nightmares.